Here at Helix Legal, adjudication is pretty much the bread and butter of what we do. We have the benefit of Earl, who doesn't like any more apps on his phone, but who has undertaken the adjudication course. We also have Michael Chesterman, who spent 8 years as the adjudication registrar. 13, sorry. Maths isn't my forte, I'm a lawyer. Who spent a considerable amount of time as the adjudication registrar and also undertook the original research and gave the drafting instructions for the very first security of payment legislation. So we'll have the former adjudication registrar asking some questions of the new adjudication registrar. So we'll see how that comes out in the wash. Within the team, as well as Earl and Michael, we have Jonathan, who loves the exhilaration of a good adjudication, who's sitting here in the front. And then we have Craig up the back, who loves the challenge of drafting the clauses in the contracts that are going to make the administration of the security of payment legislation less of a headache for your project. We also have Dana up the front here, who has been integral in us launching a capability within our website, which is on the next slide, Em, to let us be able to give you some certainty around the costs involved in progressing with adjudication. So it gives you the opportunity to put in whether you need to prepare a payment claim, a payment schedule, what the value of the claim is, and then the wonderful robot trained by Dana will punch away in the background and send you an email with all the details you need to know about what the costs are going to be. So one of the big challenges going into adjudication is not really knowing how much the lawyer is going to end up charging you. So anything under $750,000 in dispute, Helix will give you a fixed idea as to what the cost is going to be in moving ahead. We want to share some of the stress that's involved in adjudication and give you some certainty about what the costs are going to be moving forward.